Hey, mechanics here, and today I'm going to be installing KSB Performance wheel spacers on my G37 so my RPF ones can stick out a little bit more. I don't like the fact that they're a little bit tucked in, so hopefully these bad boys right here will do the job. Let's get to washing this. There's two of these that come with two of them. Show what they should look like. You know, the KSB Performance. Go ahead and get this bad boy out of here. Pick the phone back up. Should look something about like this. And this bad boy will go on just like that. So these will come off this and go on these. The wheel comes on, and then the lugs. So it goes on, it should look something like this. So now it's ready for the wheel to go on and throw the rest of the lug nuts on. Oh yeah. Sheesh. That shit looks good. Now that bad boy sticks out a little bit. Hell yeah. Until next time.